Is your pool pump not working the way it should? Maybe it's not turning on, losing pressure, or making strange noises. Ignoring these problems can lead to bigger and more expensive repairs. But the good news is, many common pool pump issues are easy to fix. Welcome to USA Pool Shop. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 common pool pump problems and how to fix them before they get worse. Let's get started. One of the most common issues is power problems. If your pump isn't turning on, check the power supply, circuit breaker, and timer settings first. Another common cause is clogged baskets. Debris in the skimmer or pump basket can block water flow. Clean them regularly to keep the pump running smoothly. Low water flow is also a major issue. This can be caused by clogged filters or blocked pipes. Make sure your filter is clean and your lines are clear. Air leaks can reduce pump efficiency. If you see bubbles in the pump basket, check the lid O-ring and fittings for leaks. Strange noises coming from the pump? This could indicate worn-out bearings or debris stuck inside the impeller. Overheating is another warning sign. Poor ventilation or running the pump dry can cause serious damage. Always ensure proper water flow. Finally, check for worn-out seals or parts. Leaks around the pump may mean it's time to replace internal components. Fixing these issues early can save you time, money, and stress. Visit usapoolshop.com for high-quality pool pump parts and maintenance solutions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more pool care tips. Thanks for watching.